Inheritance in Java, we will be discussing the various types of inheritance. Inheritance is a process of creating a new class from an existing class. We use the term code reusability. A class A and class B. B is created from A. A is your base class or parent class or super class. The new class which is created from A, the B is your child class or subclass or derived class. The terms can be anything. Single inheritance, in single inheritance, one base class and one derived class. So we have class A with one method, method A, and the method A is your base class method. So class A is your base class. From A, B is created. We use the keyword extends. The keyword extends is used to create a derived class from a base class. So here B is your derived class which is created from A, which is having a method B. So look at the main. We create object to derived class only, as the properties of base class are applicable to derived class. We don't create any object to the base class. So object is created to class B and object is obj dot method A and obj dot method B. Both the methods of base class and derived class is called using the derived class object. So we have multiple inheritance, two base classes, more than one base class and one derived class. And Java does not support multiple inheritance, and why we will be discussing in another session. Multi-level inheritance. From A, B is created, from B, C is created. So A is base class to B and B is base class to C. So B is created from A and C is created from B, multi-level. So we have three classes in this example. The first class is CAR, that is your base class. Just observe the class name and do we have any constructors and do we have any methods. You need to identify the things properly. So what is the base class name? Base class name is car. Look at that, public car is your constructor and you have one method and the name of the method is vehicle type. From car, a new class is created, a new class is derived and the name of the derived class is Maruti. In this class we have one constructor and one method brand, another method speed. As I told you earlier, you identify the class name, identify the constructors and identify the methods properly. So we have a new class Maruti created from the class car with one constructor and two methods, one method brand and another method speed. So we have another new class Maruti 800 which is created from the class Maruti, A to B and B to C, car to Maruti and Maruti to Maruti 800. In this we have one constructor and one method speed. Now look at the main part. Object is created to the derived class and here the last derived class is Maruti 800. Object is created obj and obj dot vehicle type, obj dot brand, obj dot speed. These are the function calls. These are the function calls. Look at the output. So we have hierarchical inheritance. From A, B is created and C is created and D is created. Look at the demonstration program. We have base class A with one method. The name of the method is method A. From A, B is created and we have method B From A, C is created, and the class C with method C, and from A, D is also created. In class D we have method D. Identify the classes and identify the methods. Now the main class name is Java example, and objects are created to B, C and D. Class B, class C, class D. So all the classes can access the method of class A, as class A is your base class here, and B, C, D are the derived classes. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. A combination of multi-level and multiple or any other types. Look at the example. Look at the classes A, B, C, D. So from A, B and C are created, and from B and C, D is created. So we'll just write a demonstration program for this. Demonstration program for hybrid inheritance. So we have class C, in which we have a method DISP, and from class C, A is created. In A, again we have the method DISP. From C, B is created, and in class B we have method DISP. From A, D is created. You just identify the things clearly, which is what are the base classes and what are the derived classes, and you created object to D, obj.disp. The method DISP is called. The concept of method overriding and method overloading, we have 2 videos in the playlist. You can go through that.